Keen to know, Tom, how interest in rapid tools and processes is developing in the USA and across the rest of the world.
I think I'll answer that question this way. I've been in this industry for a while. I know quite a few people that do e-learning. I don't know anybody that does e-learning as a hobby. And so I don't know how it is across the rest of the world, but I know in the United States, typically the way a business works is they want to make more money than they spend. And I think rapid e-learning helps them do that. To go back to what I was just saying about the democratization, the first thing is e-learning. It empowers people. So a finance manager who couldn't train his people now can train his people because he's got a rapid authoring tool. He can put together some information that is going to save him from having to deliver it over and over and over again. I kind of have this hierarchy when I look at e-learning. So I always start with the rapid e-learning tool because I think, from my experience, a rapid e-learning tool might be able to do 70% of what your e-learning needs are. So I start with the rapid e-learning tool. And then if the rapid e-learning tool can't do what I want, what's nice with the rapid e-learning tool, so like, for example, Articulate Presenter, I can then hire somebody or have a Flash programmer build little pieces. So if I want a type of interactivity that I can't get from the tool, I can have that interactivity built. And instead of building the whole course custom, I'm just having a custom piece built, and then I drop that into the course. And that typically will solve maybe another 15-20% of the courses. And then at that point, if I have a need for e-learning that's a little more sophisticated, I can commit my resources that way. But what I've done is, like at one of the organizations I worked at, we had all these Flash programmers, and then when I wanted to do something that required advanced Flash programming skills, I couldn't do them because my Flash programmers were tied up building basic navigation and XML players and things like that. The stuff that the rapid e-learning tools were giving us, they weren't doing any advanced interactivity. So using a rapid e-learning strategy that way, I could get those courses built in the rapid authoring tools, and now I've freed up my Flash programmers to go build the stuff they like to build. And so I think it's kind of a win-win. So you're able to win as an organization, save costs, deliver products a lot faster, and it's a win for the developers. People who are experienced Flash programmers or who have more sophisticated skills, they're actually freed up to build more advanced courses and develop their skills and use them in better ways than just building players.